Okay, so I think I'm to the point of being able to lift it out. I had to take a screw out there, and I unplugged the speaker. There's the wire. I unplugged it from right there and then fished it out of that hole. And then I took a screw off right there and also right there and then right there. And this speaker I'm gonna have to unplug also from, I forgot about this one right here, but it's tied into this. I'm gonna have to untape this, I guess, and get this whole thing out. Got it there. Fish this whole thing out of here. Alright, so I think I said I already took that screw out there. In there. And took a screw out right there and right there for that. So that should allow me to, oh, and I also unplugged a plug right there and fished it through the hole. Get it all the way out. So that should allow me to pull this entire screen out of here. But we'll see. Okay, I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do this because I don't have a whole lot of room to mess with, but and then lift it up like this. I guess that ain't too bad. Here's the screen. Here's the front of the screen with it out. And this is the part I believe that's not making the contact anymore, is where the ribbon cable actually connects to the horizontal lines for the screen. So yeah, you should be able to see it now. There's little black lines right there between the gold from the ribbon cable and then the trace to the horizontal line, and it looks like the trace is actually burnt. So I don't think that's possible to fix. I'm pretty sure it's toast, but it looks like it's going to correspond to each of the horizontal lines that that looks like it's burnt. In order to get this screen to power on, I had to take the front glass part with the power button and plug it back in. I had to untape it in order to get enough cable to plug it back into this board over here. That way I could use the power button and get it on so we can look at it. Alright, so after powering this on and actually counting each line and comparing it to each one of these, it's an exact match. So either this ribbon cable has pulled away from the traces causing them to break in that screen, or it's actually burnt the trace. I don't know, but those little black markings line up exact with the horizontal line that's missing. The first one's blank, then a line, then blank, and then 3 lines, and then 4 lines blank, and that's the exact pattern that we got going on here. And then it just gets worse there. So, and that one's got it too right there, and that matches up with those right there. This one looks good all the way down to here at the bottom where we got the entire section missing, and sure enough, you got those black spaces there that you can see that correspond exactly with what's going on the screen. So what a mess. So with this problem, you're going to have to replace this screen, and I highly doubt that's worth it. An old plasma TV probably has a pretty expensive screen, I would assume. I'm not gonna replace it. Maybe take the boards out and sell them on eBay, make a little money from it. So thanks for watching.